My name is Rick Spencer. I'm Director of Engineering for Ubuntu Engineering. I lead the team at Canonical that works with the Ubuntu community to create and improve Ubuntu every 6 months. We make Ubuntu Desktop and we make Ubuntu Server. Ubuntu Engineering has been involved in the development of OpenStack and the OpenStack community from really the very beginning of the project. And Ubuntu Engineering has been very active in providing things like code reviews, defining features and blueprints, helping implement those features. Ubuntu Engineering runs tests daily, automated tests of OpenStack, and provides those results back upstream. I think the most important contribution that Ubuntu Engineering makes to OpenStack and has made since the beginning is creating an OS for OpenStack to run on top of. And we always were very diligent to make sure that Ubuntu Server is a great place to run OpenStack. And this allows OpenStack developers to very easily test and develop OpenStack. Likewise, we make Ubuntu images that we tune to run in the OpenStack environment, and so that makes OpenStack really useful and valuable as well. OpenStack is in fact a collection of related projects, and the purpose of OpenStack is to provide cloud infrastructure that anyone can use to create public clouds or private clouds. And it has two foci in terms of the usability of the project. And one is to make it very easy to get OpenStack up and running. So if you're using Ubuntu Server and OpenStack, it's really simple to get a cloud running. And then the other is to make it easy to massively scale your cloud, whether it's public or private. So once you get started, you have as much headroom as you need, and it's easy to provide that scaling. The Ubuntu engineers have been very focused on the quality and testing of OpenStack. So in Essex, we've extended the automated testing that we've done to do pre-commit testing. So every time the trunk of OpenStack changes, Ubuntu Engineering has automated tests that run that verify that the trunk passes all its tests, and those results are automatically fed back upstream. Then we've extended that in Essex to also look at branches that have been proposed for trunk, and so then the OpenStack development team can learn very quickly whether if they accept a branch it'll cause tests to fail, and if it does, then the branch developer knows and can see what the problems are with their branch and fix those quickly. So it's been both added to the velocity of the product. The development goes faster, but also the quality feedback loop is much tighter now, so people are able to fix issues right when they introduce them. But of course, we continue to make sure that Essex and Ubuntu are well integrated together, and this is a very core contribution because people need to be able to, run Essex, run OpenStack on a server to make sure that it's working, or if they want to contribute and develop on it, they need a place to run it. So we've just continually integrated Essex into Ubuntu to make sure that that was working well. So for the next release of OpenStack, Ubuntu will, of course, we'll have engineers at ODS again. We'll be contributing to blueprints, help define the plans for the next version, help implement them. I think you'll also just see more development velocity through more contribution around the quality of the product in terms of more automated testing, deeper, broader, faster feedback to engineers about their quality, which helps them go faster. I expect that you'll see deeper integration into Ubuntu and deeper integration of our orchestration tools, like Juju, into OpenStack as well. So I think continue to see Ubuntu be so useful as a guest environment and also as a host environment for running OpenStack on and developing. going forward in the open cloud, I think that we'll see a few exciting, innovative ways that Ubuntu will continue to push the envelope. I think one is in terms of deployment technologies and making it very fast, very easy to address your metal, to deploy operating systems, many of which will become hosts to clouds or will become hosts to services that work in conjunction with your clouds. See that kind of deployment become very simple and very automated. This will make your DevOps experience like more powerful, everything faster, simpler, more robust. I think that you'll actually start to see these deployment tools working with more architectures and be able to address environments like hyperdense environments. I think in the future that we'll see a lot of hyperdense servers, which are typically actually backed by ARM chips, and these will be addressable in a easy way with Ubuntu deployment tools, and therefore you'll be able to choose the right hardware for the job, for the different clouds or services that your DevOps environment is providing or needs. I think you'll continue to see a tight integration with Ubuntu and OpenStack, so that as the feature set of OpenStack evolves, that you'll continue to see Ubuntu as the central place where that development happens, but also the easiest place to access the benefits of OpenStack. On top of OpenStack, I think we'll start to see things like Ubuntu images spinning up faster. I think we'll start to see the time between you try to initialize an image and have access to that image approaching zero in the coming years. And along with that, then the service orchestration that Juju provides, I think we'll see an easier to use, more powerful Juju. I think we'll see a lot more charms. In fact, to the point where I expect in the future, we'll see that most people's experiences with new server programs, new server technology will actually be through Juju charms, because it'll be such a, by having removed the configuration and deployment friction in there, that'll be the fastest way to try anything that's new, as well as the most robust and the easiest way to deploy those new technologies.